Welcome back War Mobile community. In this video, we are going to see the process to do the early staking. Let's see all the steps so that we are familiar with the process when it's about time. So let's get started. This is the initial stage of a user who bought 1,000 tokens in the public sale and has not moved them anywhere. We will also explain those variables that you can see above so you can understand them. You can see your wallet address and balance that appears as verified, and basically you will only have to click stake now. And down below you can also see the threshold, status, etc. that we will also comment later. So we just click on stake now, and here we get a very important notice saying that an address can be used for staking in the public pool or for Earth node reservation, but not both at once. Click yes. Now our wallet address appears as active. That means we are staking, and also we can see 1,000 War Mobile tokens in your stake. Please remember that only one address can be used for staking, so if we want to add more War Mobile tokens for staking, we will have to send more tokens to our wallet address. It is also important to keep in mind that this address is not managed by War Mobile. It's our wallet in Daedalus, Yoroi, or Adalite, where we are holding the War Mobile tokens. Another important concept that we must know is to differentiate the global stake and your stake. The global stake would be the total of War Mobile tokens from everyone who are staking in the public pool. For example, here we are staking with your 1,000 War Mobile tokens, and there are other 2 people with 1,000 War Mobile tokens each. So the total global stake, as we can see, is 3,000. Once global stake surpasses the threshold limit, in this case 500,000 War Mobile tokens, a snapshot is taken, and from there the 30 days to receive the rewards begin. The limits are established in the white paper, as you can see it here. I will also leave you the link in the description to this document so you can check it further. Another important point is that, for example, if our stake would be split between 2 thresholds, for example, we have 20,000 War Mobile tokens and 10,000 are missing to reach the limit of threshold 1. Then 10,000 will be allocated in threshold 1 and another 10,000 will be allocated in threshold 2. In this case, the rewards of threshold 1 will count for threshold 2. It means they are generating compound interest. Now, as you can see, the threshold of 500,000 has been exceeded, so the snapshot has been taken, and now our status is on hold period. That means you will need to hold the minimum balance of your stake amount for at least 30 days from now in order to receive the rewards. In this case, it's until November 23rd. It is also important to emphasize that if at any point during these 30 days our stake is below the amount that you had when the threshold was reached, in this example 1,000 War Mobile tokens, you will not receive the rewards for that threshold. And now the 30 days have passed and we have received our rewards. As you can see, we have received 92 War Mobile tokens, status switched to rewarded. At first, we will see them on pending rewards and also on total rewards earned. Your rewards, even though are not claimed, they are automatically allocated for staking in the next threshold, so you don't have to do anything else. And here the second threshold has started. Looking to this date, we know that we are somewhere between November 24th and December 3rd, because we have already received the rewards from threshold 1. But threshold 2 rewards are still pending. Thresholds can be reached consecutively. In addition, their hold periods may be overlapping. Also remember that unclaimed rewards are counted for the staking in the next threshold. It is not necessary to claim your rewards in order to make compound interest. And here I want to show you a case of how it would look like if your balance goes below minimum amount taken in the snapshot. As you can see here, the snapshot was 1,092 War Mobile tokens, and our current balance is only 102 WMT tokens. So in this case, we will not receive our reward for this threshold, even if we deposit back the amount of the snapshot. If everything goes well and we maintain the balance during those 30 days, we will receive our rewards. And now we have already 192 WMT tokens as pending rewards, same amount as total rewards. And let's click on claim rewards to see the process. This small window will pop out to remind us that letting WMT token accumulate before you claim will avoid extra transaction fees. And unclaimed tokens still apply to your staking value. Let's click Yes Claim. As you may know, Cardano native tokens require a certain amount of ADA to be sent with each transaction. We will have to send the exact amount of ADA that we are requested to the following address. Just use the copy-paste to avoid errors. This amount of ADA will be returned to you with your WMT tokens rewards minus the transaction fees. I suggest you do the least possible withdrawals to pay less commissions, especially if you are staking with smaller amounts of WMT tokens. It doesn't make much sense to withdraw the rewards every time and pay the fees. Remember that even though the rewards are not claimed, they are generating compound interest for you. So once the rewards are claimed, this is how your vault looks like. Now we can see 0 WMT token as pending rewards, 192 WMT tokens as total rewards earned, and in our stake, we have 1,192 WMT tokens that are in our stake wallet, ready for the next thresholds. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please leave me a comment down below or join Telegram group of WMT. Till next time.